My channel. Today I'm back with another new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to see TikTok password if you forget. So steps are very simple. Be with me. Let's dive in, guys. First of all, go to your TikTok account. So you can see I'm logging right now. So once you if you cannot log into the TikTok account, then what you can simply do is go to the Google account. So go to the Chrome. Uh, or you can go to Google. And you can see on the top right corner you can see a profile icon. Tap on that and you come to this section where you can see manage your account. Tap on that and you can see swipe right and you can see security. Tap on that. You come to scroll down and you come to section where you can see many password manager. Tap on that and come to this section, scroll down until you find TikTok. So here is TikTok. Tap on TikTok and you have to type your mobile password. So I'm going to type it and you can see, just tap on the icon and you can see your TikTok password. The steps are very simple. Guys, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, guys.